This Wolfgang, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Germany? What?
Where's Jasmine? Where's Jasmine?
Who's your dollar?
Hey, where's Jasmine?
I think it's her.
Oh, yeah.
We should go see. Hey guys! Hey, where are we? I think we're in Germany. That looks like the North Sea.
Well, what year is it?
Isn't it 1933?
Oh, that's when Hitler came around, right? Yeah, he became chancellor.
Yeah.
Is that Hitler? Oh my god, Hitler's dead!
Did we help him?
No, cause that would mean...
They're trying to get us!
America!